Hi everyone, I'm going to show what am I going to eat this morning or say every morning for my breakfast. I don't take breakfast, but I know my body will need minerals and vitamins to survive the day. And so this will be my kind of supplement. Of course, I'm not eating like those mad people that have a whole cup of like taking 300, maybe 300 pills a day. I'm not that kind. I just take whatever I feel is beneficial to me. I'm going to share with you all what are these. So first one, I'm going to also share the brand which I got them from. This one is from, it's called Shilajit. It's from Atomy. Lagit. Okay, you guys can Google for it. What is the function? It's good for male vitality. Second one will be from omega-3, two of it, from Atomy as well. I go for Atomy because their rate is more reasonable compared to the other brand that I had go along before. This is Moringa. Moringa is actually originated from India. So it's like a multivitamin. It's a super plant that people will get to know in India. And now it's quite popular in the Western countries. So yeah, this Moringa is in powder form. Of course, there are also other format, but I prefer the powder form. And what else? This is the Q10, I call it. Okay, this is good for our mitochondria of our cell. Mitochondria are, our powerhouse for the cell. So in every human cell, there's a power. It's like a battery for the cell. So this is for that. Of course, there are also other function, but I'm just saying those that is more, uh, um, he has more of a workable function from taking this. Okay, this is garlic. Just for, they say people say eating garlic is good, so I'm taking this. By the way, this is from Amway. I'm just clearing my stock from Amway because I'm switching the supplement brand from Atomy, I mean, so from Amway to Atomy, because Atomy for me I feel is more reasonable price. The other one, this is the black color one. Yeah, this is I will call the uh, I Lutein Premium. This is GSGS Global Sourcing Global Sales from Japan. So it came over to Singapore. Yeah, I'm taking this for my eye. I used to have this white color thing at the right eye, top left side. I can see this white color, like floating kind of floater. I call them floater. So after taking this, right, I can feel that thing is like going away. I don't know, is it because by going away naturally, is it because of this supplement? I'm not sure, but that helps me for my eye. The next one, plasma alpha. This is also GSGS from Japan. This is for the brain function. What else? Vitamin B. Yeah, vitamin B. You can Google the function. What does vitamin B help us? What else? Oh, this is for the joint. I call this the um. This is written here TMC. Uh, yeah. By the way, previous one, the vitamin B is actually from Amway as well. Okay, the garlic also from Amway if I didn't mention. And this TMC, yeah, this is from it's from my joint from Atomy. It's much cost effective control compared to Amway. This is probiotic. It's $1 per pill in Singapore. Uh, I used to have this issue after I take the Amway probiotic mixed the fiber, right? I always have this farting issue. But after taking this Atomy one, right, it seems like that condition doesn't appear to me anymore. So it seems to put in a lot of good bacteria into my guts. The next one, oh, calcium, D and magnesium. This is from Amway. I'm clearing my stock as you all just now have mentioned. Yeah, it's calcium you have to know for actually bone and stuff and prevent us from getting kidney stone. Yep. What else? Oh, vitamin, multivitamin. This is also from Amway. I still have two bottle left. The bottle is quite big, 180 pills. It's valid until 2027, so I have a long time to take them. I am asking my whole family to take them so I can clear my stock. Next one, defense. This is actually from my, but you can see from the peel, right? It's already oxidated. I don't do anything. I just keep it in the bottles. Okay, this is actually from Atomy Indonesia. It doesn't have it over in Singapore and as well as Malaysia. So I got it from Indonesia. See, this actually for me. The main thing I look taking this is because of zinc boost for my hair. I don't want to get sick, so I'm taking this. Hmm. Just now I've talked about this TMC. Okay, yeah, this one I already talked about it already for my joint. And last one before the liver. This one is also from Atomy. It's very cost effective. It's made from milk thistle, kind of plant, right, flower. And so yeah, there's a amount of supplement I'm taking. And not only that, I'm also taking some more. This bottle is from Nutrilite Amway. It's called a mixed soybean plus and lecithin with vitamin E. Oh, I take this because I want to try it out. I believe it's good because it's lecithin. It helped me clear my uh, any clogs in my bloodstream. And there's vitamin E. It's good for our um, cell repairing. The next one, protein over here. Yeah, it's again from Amway. Um, this one I will intending to get it replaced with Atomy the triple. What's the thing called? I forgot the name. Triple power protein, something like that. The blue color packaging. So I'm intending to just replace this with that when I this is my last bottle. So once I finish this, I'm gonna go along with Atomy, full-fledged Atomy. Reason being because I'm a frugal person. I want to, of course, every dollar spent, I want to get the most out of it. And in Atomy, people knows that they are of absolute quality, absolute price. So that's the reason why they always have this slogan telling everyone this. So as a frugal person, I believe that come in sync with my principle in life and the way how I spend money. So I believe that will be more in sync with my person. And recently, I've stopped going for Amway meeting and activities that related to Amway because in and for Atomy, I'm learning it for free. So you see, there's a very big difference between uh, Atomy and Amway. I'm not comparing this between these two countries because each have their pros and cons. Uh, like for example, their a system built within the Amway, which Atomy doesn't have, and they have a product Amway has and Atomy doesn't have. And so yeah, and behind me, there's one shell. You can see there's a mixture of Amway and Atomy product because I'm shifting from being a Amway consumer to become a Atomy consumer. For me, doing the business, I still also will want to go along with Atomy because it's free joining fee, everything is FOC, and there's no pressure from my upline, from anyone who is doing the business. It's just like you are just consuming like what you are already already doing every single day, like going to the supermarket, St. John NTUC, whatever you are, you know. Uh, yeah, it's just we are also not paying more for a tube of toothpaste. In Atomy cost 460. In Amway will cost like maybe 2 to 3 times the price. So in a way that yeah, I feel that maybe Atomy is the way to go for everyone who wants to get cashback, which I am doing it. And I hope my video is helpful from this early morning kind of sharing that all this supplement helps me improve my life. And by the way, you guys can guess how am I through my video. Then y'all can share. And by the way, this kind of recording is not uh, filtered by that kind of uh, TikTok video. So my I'm just using a Logitech 922 and Jabra headset, a very simple setup. And this is my kind of look. And yeah, that's all for my video, and I hope it's useful. And I will try to continue posting video to make you all learn about anything. Yeah, it's just random stuff. I also cannot come up with any topic yet, but thank you all for watching. Goodbye.